How to share Google Forms edit link. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up web browser on your device. Now tap on the search bar. Now type Google Forms. Now simply tap on search. Now open up the first website. Now wait for some time. Now create your Google Forms. Now add your questions. Now once you create your Google Forms, simply tap on the add person icon at the top right section. Now tap on publish. Now tap on three dots. Now tap on the send icon. Now simply tap on manage. Now tap on the add people icon. Now enter the email address. Now tap on responder and select editor. Now simply tap on send. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.